Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful morning over here. As you can see, guys, how the sky looks like, and we thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So, guys, right now, I'm preparing my house right now. So, as a village boy, so guys, actually on today's videos, I'm going to receive my visitor around at the bus station. So after a few minutes, guys, you'll see him around at my home, guys. I hope guys are ready for these videos. Also, come with me to receive my visitor. So right now I want to take my strong breakfast, and then from that I think I'll rush to the bus station. So let me greet my brother. Before that, guys, say hello, bro.
Hello.
Yeah, you try to wash clothes?
Yeah, I'm washing here slowly.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Benson Mikwabi. The second brother to you. Yeah.
Well, guys, he was my second brother. So I personally am firstborn to my beloved family here. So he was our second born, and then I'll have the third born, which is also my brother, and the last, Prince Matanyabon. So guys, let me take you outside. So before that, guys, even I can't remember what my mama put for me inside here. So let me check. And then I left. I was listening to the music here, guys. I'm telling you.
Bluetooth mode.
That's my music, you know.
FM mode.
I think
Bluetooth mode.
I don't get
FM mode.
Oh no, SD. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I was connecting with my phone. So guys, let me see what my mama prepared for me, guys. You know, I have no idea. I just come from Nyabohanse. Okay, guys. Wow. What you see inside here, these beans right here, and rice. Oh my god. Well, guys, that's how my house looks like. And okay, I'm trying to organize it to be in a good way. This milk tea, you know, guys, when I was not around, my mama prepared for me, and then that's my strong breakfast. So guys, at the same time, in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel. Also check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. And I think after receiving the visitor, I'll make a call to Felicitas, and then she'll come to stay with my visitor, and then making the videos, you know. Wow, guys, let me go outside to see how things go. See how things go. That's our smoke kitchen, guys, you know. That's the chicken running outside. That's our small kitchen, our smoky kitchen, and we're so grateful what we have. Hey man, last time when I was coming here, there's 2 eggs, but right now we have around five of them. Yeah, right here. There's eggs right there, you know. And it's a incredible story, guys. We cook here, the hen lay eggs right there. I didn't understand how that hen feel that heat direct from the fire. So guys, I'm taking you outside, and for my premiere again, you'll get these videos. Welcome outside. That's how things is. I have my birds here singing every day, you know, so I don't want to chase that birds, guys, because that's blessing. So I will use my bike going to receive my visitor, guys, right here. I just parked here, you know, so let me put it on the shed right here. I think right here it will be better. Okay, guys, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support, guys. You're really supporting me, and I I can't take things for granted, guys. I want to say may God bless you abundantly. And in case you're new here, you didn't subscribe to my channel, guys, please today at least subscribe to my channel. Road to success, guys. You know me, I'm just the guy who climbing the ladder slowly by slowly, guys. So I'm filming these videos at my home. East west, home is the best. So last time my borehole collapsed on the ground, so you see a lot of sand here and there, but unfortunately by God's grace we get the water, guys, you see. So I think I have more option to done on this borehole here. So I will look for the money to buy bricks and also to buy cement, sand, so the borehole can be like cemented, constructed from the ground. People have some skills. I don't know how people would go to construct it deeply on the ground and then you have water. Imagine, and the water is super clean. At this moment, I didn't understand, guys. Wow. Guys, I hope today you are ready. And then I feel like the content of today, they wanna cook outside here. Actually, guys, you will see, guys, for the first time receiving the visitor, you know. So it's been a while. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, I see the birds moving from one tree to another. Say hello. Yeah, guys, I love birds, man. To be honest, I love birds. So, guys, sorry for that. I want to make sure that everything is good way. Like we have water, you know, the toilet is clean, and then you know the visitor will be around, guys. So I don't want to be under mess, guys, you know. But 24 hours, this structure, it's clean. So let me check. Let me check, guys. Let me check how things go at the back. That's my grandma maze. Okay, guys. The sandals pure clean right here. So I need to settle things in order, guys. You know, wow. If my visitor want to take shower inside here or to like to bathe in local way, everything will be whoa. Things will be okay here, guys. So no pressure, guys, you know. At least I need to settle everything to be in good condition when the visitor arrived, like boom. I think it's one visitor, guys, you know. So he came to visit me for the first time. Wow. Toilet is clean. And probably we have water. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to settle everything to be okay. Wow. So right now, guys, I think everything is just okay. So it's my time to go and take my breakfast and then rush to receive my visitor, guys, for the first time. Also, this is the squatting, or yeah, the sitting toilet right here that we have. And guys, without you, I couldn't manage to build this toilet, guys. But it's by God's grace. You're really supporting me from day one up to now. My God bless you, guys. My God bless you. Bless us. Yeah, things have been okay. Like from this angle to that angle, guys. So let's move on. Let's move. No, guys, time is not on my side. So, but we'll make sure everything will be good and was amazing. So this is my mom's kitchen garden right here. You see the kales, how it's doing. Also, you see the onions well growing. We have the pumpkin leaves. We have another veggies here, super green. You know, this is where the back here it's totally bush, but we do to decorate our compound, you know. Maybe in the future my house could be other side. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think, guys, it's my time to wash my hands, and then I left. Okay, let me go inside. I wanna wash my hands. Guys, this is what I'm calling home. My beautiful home, guys. Wow. Okay, you want to lay egg? Come on. This is the one that is laying egg at the back.
Is that chicken yours?
No, no, that's my sister's chicken.
Okay.
I need to wash my hand. Okay, so help me that soap, because I was visiting the toilet.
Okay.
Okay, you can hold my camera like that. Yes, guys, like that. I'm gonna wash my hands, and then everything will be okay. Okay, my brother. Today we have the visitor around my home.
Who is that?
I don't know. I don't know. But you see on camera, and then you stay around.
Alright.
Loitering around. You see him or her. Okay. Well, guys. So, guys, sorry. I'm rushing in a good way to eat, you know, to receive the visitor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this milk tea here, I think so. Okay. Let's put. Wow. Wow, guys. And then, guys, I think before I'm rushing to Border Town to make some small shopping, you know, buying chicken and some spices or ingredients. So we wanna slaughter chicken right now, guys. It's another celebration with my visitor at my home. I think, guys, I have arranged everything, so when my visitor just pull up, no worry, you know. Yeah, we have the chairs, like coaches down a seats here, you know. But guys, my TV just hanging there, like no power. But one day I'll get maybe the solar. I'm enjoying the breakfast. Strong. Alright, guys. We shall meet on the next video while I'm heading to Border Town, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. I think I finished my breakfast, so it's time to go, guys. It's time to go in Border Town. Okay, guys, to receive my visitor, you know. So because it's a celebration, I will invite Felicitas so to be around, guys. To be around. Guys, wish me safe travel, you know. And I have my bike. It helped me to maneuver around. My cousin are washing clothes here. So I think, yeah, I don't want to forget to carry the phone because we make some conversation. So let me rush to Border Town. Actually, guys, to make some small shopping. You see me in Border Town doing this, doing that, you know. Guys, thank you guys, thank you, support me. And right now I have my own bike. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your full support, guys. Continue supporting me, and also, guys, support the rest. So right now, that's my grandma, that's my dad's home. So I'm gonna left right now. Hey guys, I drink hot tea, so I like, and right now it's sunny outside here, so technically it's summer vibe, you know. I feel like I'm sweating, so probably let me go to Border Town. When I'm riding, I have that breeze, fresh air. So guys, watch these videos till the end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. You want to say hello? Okay. Just a minute, guys. I want to tie to my camera like that, and then we go. I left home, guys, in good way. When I'm passing here, I see the blocks, guys. Super amazing. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. What the hell was up here, mama? Okay. Let me go Border Town, guys. So that being said, to make my small shopping. I see my neighbor who built a bungalow within my village, right there. So he was one of my primary teachers, guys, who taught me English. Okay. Wow. Wow. Let's go, guys, up to Border Town. Okay, up to Border Town. So I must be very keen because I'm riding and then the motorbike is vibrating, and when my visitor calling me, I must be very keen, guys. Ready to receive that call, guys. Where? So for my premiere again, today you'll get these videos. Okay. Let's go. Real life from my village here. There's a shop right there. let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm shooting these videos on Saturday morning, guys. No. So it depends the time which you're watching these videos. Let's go. People are building on this side here. And guys, let me tell you one thing. You know, back here, this place couldn't have any house, guys. You walk from the tarmac up to my home, you find only like 3 homesteads. But nowadays, people occupy, you know. Okay, guys, super green. Green. I'm rushing, guys, to make a little bit shopping, and then we'll see the visitor. Okay. Your son, have a baby of fishes outside chasing his dream. No matter what, guys, right, left, center, I'm just outside to chase my dream. Because we have a sharp corner here, we need to slow down. This is a dump site here, guys. Guys, I'm remaining with 100 meters apart to meet the tarmac, guys. Tarmac right here. Let's go up to border town. So it connects the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. This tarmac that you see here, it connects East Africa actually, you know. No pressure. That's my Roman Catholic church. You know, I belong to a Roman Catholic, guys. I'm telling you. Whoa. Border town. But right now where I am, I'm in Spain, and then when I move some steps, I'll step in border town. This region here, around here, going up to that way, that is Spain. Super amazing place. Wow. Whoa. Let's go. Car, sheep are grazing right there. Pulling off the eggs right here. Hustle is everywhere. See even that guy who cutting the road. Hustle is everywhere. I'm telling you, man. At this moment, hustle is for real. Hustle is everywhere, you know. Wow, guys, welcome to border town right now. So when I reach here, this is where border town starts. People on motorbike. Wow. Crazy. Okay, full of trucker parking. Oh my God. saying here. Let's go guys. Whoa! Nice Banya police station, guys. Whoa! Like it means security are tight here. Outside business, retailers business, man. Whoa! Okay. I'm just focused ahead, man, you know. Like mind ahead. Wow. Okay, bank everywhere. It tells you people do business. People do business. People do business. Look at that house right there. I love that view for that White House, man. Whoa. Border town, for real. For real, for right. Border town. That's a mosque construction right there. For real, for right. Border town. I'm telling you, total petrol station. Come on to the world. Let's go. Here you must be very careful, guys. On driving, you must be very careful. Okay. On driving, you must be very careful. So guys, I'm heading this way to buy hands right there. So let's see. And today's a market day, guys. So I want to run from the copyright. So I'm heading on other side. Mistake benye. Hata simu kwanza mburuzinga temba huko. Achungu chingo. So let me check one of my friends. Good time. Good. Eh, nice table. Museti. Ona lakini wito dura. Ama ni shehe. Burning fire. I'm a fire burning. Hey guys. Hey. Yangu na wako msiti. Kila siku moja nitanunua hii TV. Hii mara lazima ni 70. Hii shilingi kama 40.
68.
Pesa yangu ya mshahara kabisa kwa mwezi. Acha nione Mwita hapa. So guys, I was greeting one of my friends right there. Mwita! Kuja. Keni wapi hapa? Nataka kienyeji.
Big or small?
Nione huko. Hapa nishi. Tena kwa la simu. Fresh. Uwe. Tango. So, yeah guys. Tunauza kuku wa kuchinja, selling hens. So we have a lot of hens here. Broilers for the meat. Unatafuta kienyeji man. Yeah. Oh. Inshinga.
1,200.
Atara kwa na simu bana tonge. So you finish your conversation. Shika hivi. Kimaliza kuongea. So guys, let me give him time. Talk with your phone. Guys, I give him time to talk with their phones. In Shinga. In Kenya, I'm improved. I need the local hand. You need a bear mission. Tokole mia nane.
Fanya 1000.
Tane yeko kyo. Yeah, take mia nane no mosanya. Takwa ambiga ni kumafanya nege kukini angore mbaki vitu nishinga. Hata ngusimu voto.
Sasa mbona nini be? Nini naenda hapo na.
Mia nane. Eh. Kwani hii na hii kuna tofauti gani? Tukiwa hata eno ya hapo mara. Tunaenda kuchinja.
Kuibolele nge.
Nitakutumia nikuja tu kuoga. Hayo he. I need a fresh meat.
Sasa mama. Mambuye maembengo kuna tashinga msinya na hapo. Mimi na bwana nani kampeni sana ndio maana
na haraiga. Sidi chao.
Hizo 1000 na babu.
Mtataka chini.
Wait.
Na eno ni rengo ragu.
1200.
Eh.
That will be 1100.
Guys, hen here too much expensive. Tangen no, go to mere gusi.
I get 1000.
Ni gango dichinga no. Kani yanto tamu.
Afu bota. Tenenke.
Usenko na nku iporere.
Mambo renge.
Tege bamba kan koma gyariru. Muita tangen taringe koma gimu.
Ngoko mbuyerenge. Maya terapu mara kuibolenge bado. Kota ni ndito.
Okay. So these are improved one right here. Down. Okay. Nege sare wako kino.
Sare wako no apora ke kono digano.
Guys. Era ni enene. Ni enene.
Matero mbuyerenge. Na ngo ko hemko.
Ni kuyeka. Na ngorire.
Akole kunirigano.
Atama. Tia mengo tumere mimi at something. Tia ngongo ngato.
Akia mungo toro 9.
Tarete namba si.
Koliga toro 1000.
Ete namba isi.
Ako churu ngulu chingo. Sigo toro 1000. Ibi 1000. Yes.
Ata motore no la mia kale.
Gotoro wana andada etopa.
Nani kurishingana. Tana masent. Okay guys, I'm trying to send my money through the phone. Oh. Alright, tore namba. And then I'm heading to other side guys to buy some ingredients. Atoro yeko nirigana so kyonge mia bonongo richinganya hayo. Mama kunga nagira ngatumire gusimu konga. Whoa. Bless it. Heke ya hane hare. Okay guys.
Simu nene mo seti ni herenge nani?
Erane. Nene. Margaret.
Simu mo seti nene.
Erang karagu. Wala ni ngako nene hai. Karagu.
None Samsung. Samsung?
Yes.
Samsung no kule ngene nani purchase ya ni kule.
Later will come later. Put for me there. And then you nipe mia. I need to buy tomatoes, onions. No, stop it, we go home. Sanguchan. I left my baby here, so I wanna make some small shopping. Tajiri. Nani alikuambia hivyo? Sukufu woze. Okay guys. let's buy it. So sorry for that. I think I should buy here. Mama shikamu. Nilikuwa nimepotea kidogo. Nyanya shilingi ngapi?
Nyanya hizi hivi ina 50.
Hizi?
Ya 50.
Siweke basi hizi kubwa. Zimeiva wanaenda kupika saa hii. Haya. Niwekee na vitunguu.
Hizi.
Ngapi? Moja ni ngapi?
Moja 20.
Sasa hivyo? Nitakupa 50. Haya.
Sawa.
Hapa ni 100. Kai. Acha nione kama kwa simu kuna pesa. Weka ya 10.
Karibu. Sawa. Mwe.
Acha
Ya vipi? Sanga.
I think guys I bought everything here, so it's time to go. Guys, I'm heading home after Border Town. I bought the hands right here and some small shopping. So actually guys, anytime guys from now I suppose to receive the visitor guys, so this is all preparation. Whoa, 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 whoa. So it's good when the visitor arrived at your home, you slaughter chicken, you know, right here. At the same time the chicken is enjoying ride, but for any sense we're going to slaughter. I think we eat with the ugali. Yeah, I'm the man of ugali guys. Let's go up to that way. So this is a Chiva school here. It shows you the point of heading home. Guys, if one day you visit at my home, when you reach in Border Town, please use the videos and it shows you, you know, like you're not faking things guys. Here I'm showing the reality. Oh nice. Hey, chicken. Actually this is meant for the meat guys. On the motorbike. Getting home. Okay guys, we shall meet when I reach home guys, so stay tuned. Okay mama, take the hen. Yes. So guys, today we have visited around. And these some spices, mom. Ingredients. Yeah. Okay guys, my visitor, she was arrived right now guys. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Okay, this I'm calling home.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sasa mnafanya hii video kupika. Sivyo ndo alinieleza.
Yes.
Haya, twende. Okay. Hadi uko na channel. Usiogope, hadi anaogopa kina mwambia fanya. So maybe guys our kitchen will be outside here. Okay.
kweli. Sasa ndio watu.
Okay guys, right now I'm just at my home, and right now I have my visitor all the way from Nakuru. So actually guys, he just come for the help guys. You know, it's one of my friends, and let me see here guys, just a minute. Let me see here the WhatsApp, and I do on YouTube. Okay guys, and the YouTube channel is Ramson City guys. Right there, Ramson City. I think guys, I'll tag their link because it's a couple videos, you know. So her husband was a close friend of mine, and maybe one day I will visit them. Yes. Nakuru ni shilingi ngapi? Kutoka hapa hadi Nakuru?
Nauli ni 1,200.
Mtu mmoja?
Yes,
ni sawa sawa na Nairobi tu.
Nairobi shilingi ngapi?
Hiyo tu.
But ukiwa Nakuru mpaka Nairobi ni 600 mpaka 500.
Oh. Okay guys, I will see guys when I'm going maybe to Nairobi one day. I'll pass to my friend's home and then stay there like 2 days and then going to Nairobi. Yeah, I'll welcome one day. Yeah. So they do videos with Felicitas. I think soon you wanna see Felicitas right now here guys. I want to show you blood for the chicken. But this one is what we prepare. That's what my visitor guys, I was saying since morning. Wow. Guys, support them. Ramson City. I will tag their link and then you click there, you subscribe guys. Wow. Imagine guys, all the way from Nakuru up to my village. It's far away. And then from Nairobi, from Nakuru to Nairobi, like the way maybe move from here to Kisii and then we'll be in Nairobi. I think so. So repeat Kisii. Okay. Well, and then I will give a special shout out to Felicitas. Come on, then you say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe, comment, share. My name is Felicitas. Go and check me. I am on YouTube. Yeah.
Right now, how many subscribers did you have?
820.
Okay, congratulations guys.
Thank you.
I push her from 00 up to 820. So right now, remaining with 18 subscribers to go. Yes. Also, she was the part of my visitor. Okay.
What is her channel?
Ramson City. Yes, I think.
Go and check her.
Yes, I think her husband give me, you know, right here. See? Yes, Ramson City, guys. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay. Me, I'm just the guy who have free-hearted to support people. Imagine, guys, an exam, Felicitas from 00 subscriber up to 820, guys. I'm trying my best as I can. Okay. We're cutting this. So today, Felicitas, sorry for that. I'll never share a link today. Yes.
It's okay.
Na mama wako utampigia simu ajoin Premier, nitatag link hapo.
Inakuwaga saa 12.
Mpaka
Saa 12 utakuwa umefika. Kutoka Migori hadi Nakuru how many hours?
kama masaa 9.
9?
So utafika
Au
kesho,
8.
utafika usiku.
Usiku.
Okay, si nitaongea naye tutawasiliana join hiyo nani Premier. Okay guys, because they're doing both videos, I'll try to shoot here and there. Okay. All right, guys. So, oh, Bruno, what's up? What's up, Bruno? Yup, guys, that's my dog. You good? You good? Yeah. I'll take you later outside. Stop it. So my dog needs to go outside. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, it's growing so big. Man. Alright guys. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes guys, that's my sister. And actually today we have one of my visitors closely all the way from Nakuru, and she pay the visit to my home, guys, and she need the help here and there. So actually her husband, they are good friend of mine, 100% guys. And that's my, imagine guys, these are radio right here, man. Crazy. This is a radio, man. Yeah. My brother is killing me. This is a radio, bro. Okay. Later I'll take you outside, Bruno. So I'm trying to push my videos. Oh, sister. What's up? Yeah. Hey, milk tea and banana. Okay, guys. So when my dog had me around, like my voice, I'll take you outside, Bruno. Chill. Chill. When I finish my videos, I'll take you outside because I have the visitor around. I don't want to open you, go and disturb people. No. Stay calm, you know? Calm, bro. Calm, Bruno. Alright, guys. No, that's too much. Yeah, guys. I'll come later and take my dog outside. Whew. Oh my god. So, and then after that, I'll take around showing my visitor what YouTube made for me. And also, guys, I have solid subscribers outside there who supporting me a lot by watching my videos, comment, like, share, supporting me in other ways, supporting me in financial. My God bless you guys, you know. I'm just 100% pure-hearted, you know. So a day like this, guys, imagine, guys, from Nakuru to Nairobi, it's like we use $5 to go to Nairobi. Or else in my home here, from border town up to Nairobi, I use around, I think, $15 from the village. That's 1,500. Imagine. So my friend sacrificed all the struggle, and we make a call since last night, and he told me, bro, I'm just at work, but I'm sending my wife to come and pay a visit at Nyabuhansi, and then we make our videos. And I said, you know what, guys, because she's a lady and she came to make cooking videos, so I invite Felicitas so they can vibe together doing videos, guys. Okay, so that you heard from the videos, I push Felicitas from 0 subscriber up to 820, guys. It's not my power, but it's your hard working, guys, by supporting her, subscribing, comment, share, like, you know. Okay, guys, me, I'm just around here with you guys, showing you how things have been going through here and there. Wow. I think, should I go this way or that way, guys? But I want to make my videos to be longer because ladies know how maybe to cook here and there, so it's a combination of the videos. So I need to help them both sides, and then maybe by helping them tomorrow they will help each other. And actually, to be specific, I will share the link on my videos so you can able to subscribe, guys. If they can get 100 subscribers on this platform, they will celebrate, guys, and appreciate it. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm just here. I know I know things I'm going through on this internet, but guys, please, come on, watch my videos, like, comment, and share, guys. This is where I'm coming from. The way I have been mentored, let me use that opportunity to help each other so we can squeeze or move forward as brother and sister. Wow. That's my great grandma home. Wow, the maize is doing good, man. Tall maize. If you put more in farming, you gain a lot. Like this one here, something else. Okay, guys. Okay. Look, the sunflower right here. Hey. And the good thing about sunflower, it's face where the sun comes from and where the sun go from and to, coming from, go to. Wow, look even at this one here. Nice one, nice one. Hey, look down there. Okay, guys. So I left them making the videos at my home on the other side. So me is I go around here and there, guys. So maybe I will plan one of these days to visit them when I'm going to Nairobi. Maybe at the end of this month. And then as we move, guys, I'm planning to go to Mombasa and to experience life there as a village boy, how things will take me there. Oh my god. And I think on tomorrow's videos, but I don't want to mention, it's by God's grace. I plan today, tomorrow maybe my plan fall down. So tomorrow's videos is another videos. You'll see, guys, you'll see. Okay, guys. Wow. Whew, let me check the time. The time is running, man. Even I'm so tired. It's 14:40 p.m. That's my local time. Okay. I think, guys, I should go back home and then I personally to end my videos, and then for them they will continue these videos to the end. And that's how, guys, I support people around me here. And if people come in with a good intention, we make videos, well, guys, I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful than other thing, guys, because without you, maybe I could something else, chilling somewhere else, hiding. And then at the end of the day, I come to ask my mama food, Actually, so working hard. My family, it's working like hard. Even I personally, guys, I work so hard. You just wait during my construction, you will see. But on my yesterday videos, I didn't feel that much okay, And then I told subscriber, welcome home. I shoot short videos ever, but my video is long, maybe 50 minutes to 1 hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. But I see the video is doing good, man. In terms of maybe views here and there. And then I I get positive comments. I like that. I like that energy. You know, all the way positive vibe win. And positive vibe can build my channel. Positive vibe can build me to focus. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. You know. And as a hello baby, when I'm saying like thumbs up means go straight. Like no zigzag, like on a cornering, guys. No. Our village is full of green. You can see right, left, center. Everything's super green here. Right here we have some guavas. But nowadays I'm not used to climb on the trees, you know, and all stuff. But guys, me, I'm not the fan for guavas. I'm not fans of guavas right here. And guys, there's a day I share with you. You know guavas leaves, like when you peel it and then you dry them on the sun, you know, it will use as tea leaves, you know, and it's very, very perfect, very nutritious, you know. So guys, let me go and check them, how they progress here and there, and then man, we celebrate, you know. Wow, maybe even me one day I'll travel from my home to Nakuru and then visit one of my friends. Actually, the lady that you see on my videos, you know, they are you know, couple. So both husband and wife, you know, husband and wife. So the husband sent her wife, you know, because because the husband alone, he was working, you know, in the apartment, and then he said, you know what, bro, I'll send my wife and then come to make video videos. I said, okay, I'll connect with Felicitas so they can cook, doing like cooking videos. So we keep heading straight. Well, guys, let me go check them, how they are doing, and then for me, I will end the videos. You know. Hey. Okay, my people. Okay, guys. Walking. You'll see my videos heading to Border Town, coming back. But for him, they arrived with one of the border rider all the way from Migori up to my home. You know, actually, I take them from the Banza Center at the bus stage there, where the bus stop. You know, okay. Let me check them, how they are doing, guys. And then for me, I said goodbye. You know. Wow. We have 2 motorbike right there. You know. We have 2 motorbike. Okay. This I'm calling home right here. My beautiful home. So right here we have 2 motorbike. My bike and also my friend's bike. Right here. Vigori kukoje bana? Unanionaga nikipita huko? Haya. Okay. As kidogo basi tupige na video. Ngoja zikiva tu. So guys, they're cooking here, you know, fried chicken. Hey, today my family will enjoy. Yeah. Okay. Spend basi kidogo. So guys, I'm trying to show my friends how YouTube work for me, and then when they go back, they'll tell her husband, oh, Usiogope. Okay. Because she was a camera shy, guys, but I'm trying to push to show her around, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Unajua hizi mboga? Haujui hizi mboga?
Mlenda.
Hii si mlenda, sijui. Lakini inakaa kama hiyo kategoria ya mlenda. Unajua kuna hizi mboga?
Nasikulia wapi sasa? Beef Chinese, skumas.
Hizi sukuma.
Hizo ndio
Inaitwa kwa Kiswahili sijui ni kirerema.
na hizo majani ya maboga.
Hizo maikura.
Majani ya maboga? Nazipenda.
Unataka afonde nazo? Unaweza chumu uende nazo.
Sidi itakuwa mbali mpaka nifike zitakuwa jishanyauka.
Haya basi. Okay guys, I'm showing her around and then okay, njoo. Hii ndio YouTube inatufanyia kazi sasa. Okay. Hey, this is a bathroom also for my mom.
So nice.
Yes. If you put more effort, also you can build. Yes. Finish your mom. Yeah.
Like house for sleeping.
Yes, big house. It's a window yangu. Yeah, I'm supposed to give my mama this one, but my mama refused. They don't like sitting one. They like to squat. Yes.
Looking so good.
Ndio mimi nikipata pesa tu nasukuma. I had 20. Relation to me. Yes.
So good.
Yes, it's all about YouTube. Yeah, I'm not employed. I'm just hustling.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Oh, guys, let me take her a little bit around, and then for me, I will end my videos on my part. Wow. Nakuja. Then check on my block when kuja. So Felicitas also cooking right there. Those are firewood. You know, we normally use firewood. Yeah. Okay, guys. Also have the motorbike here. Yes, through YouTube. That's my bike.
Wow.
It's a brand new. So guys, it's house closer to 1 month since I bought.
1 month.
1 month.
True.
Yes.
Oh.
I think I bought in the month of March.
March.
Yes, date 24.
Wow.
Yes. Also have my first bike, but I said let me buy my own new bike.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. As my grandma got. Also, I support my uncle to build a toilet and bathroom. I think somebody are inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your uncles?
Yes, my uncle, because my family is at large in number. So I said, you know what? Let me support them. Yes. So if you're watching my videos, these stones, I want to build my mom's dream house this year. But I'm not specific. Yes, amen. I'm not specific which time and month. But this year I'll start. Yeah, this is all about YouTube. If you go harder on your dream, you'll make it. Yeah.
Good.
Guys, if her baby can try to make it a little bit, why not them? Yeah, guys, for me, if somebody came for the help, guys, let me help them as I can. The rest I would left God to done for them.
Amen.
Yeah. Yeah, it's about YouTube, you know.
Oh, good.
Yes, repercussion of YouTube. Yes. Wow.
So when you want to build your mom, you build where?
There, I would watch that house.
There.
Yes. So when my subscribers watch my videos at the end of the month, I bought these blocks here. And you know all the way from Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Sijui naitwa ile sehemu inaitwaje, sijui ni ona hapo mahio kisonga mbele kidogo. Sijui ni Limuru, sijui ndio wapi. Hapo hivi Nairobi. So this month, the month of April, at the end of the month, I bought this one here. Yes, it's about YouTube. Me, I'm telling you.
Good.
Yes, and also one of my subscribers supporting me. This one here.
Here.
Yes, you see, this is another new stock.
Yes, this
Yes.
is another. This
This is an old stock. So this one here, I have solid subscribers supporting me. Hello, baby. Let me support you, blogs.
Wow.
Yes.
Like that.
Okay. Wow. It's a lot. I'm supposed to add one trip this month. Honestly, you won't have this month, and then I close the chapter of blocks, and then I'll start buying sand and also cement. Yes. So here is where I'm going to build my mom's dream house.
Here.
Yes, and the house is so big. It will start from here, going to other side.
Up to there.
Yes, no. I have this side here. Let me show you. I will demolish this house, and then that house will start from here. I think from here. Inaenda hadi pale. Ni bedroom tatu kubwa. Yeah, guys. Twende mpike. Okay, guys. Mimi hizo vitu zote ni YouTube. Si eti nimeajiriwa kazi na serikali. Amen. Amen sana. Guys. She told me, God bless me. I said amen a million times. Felicitas, everything's okay? Me, it's my time to end my videos.
Okay.
So maybe I will give you the last shout out. Yeah. Hey, the food is so yummy, guys. Okay. Yes. Unakuja huko. Okay, introduce yourself. This is the last lap.
Okay, guys, it is Felicitas. Yeah, go and subscribe to my channel. Lot to 1,000 subscribers. I will appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also you.
Hi guys, my name is Janet. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lamson Seat TV.
Yes.
Make sure guys, nenda subscribe, comment, like, share, and watching our videos.
Ramson City.
Seats.
Actually, guys, they are Tanzanian, but they try themselves to talk a little bit English. I like your energy. Okay,
Thank you.
guys, me I will end my videos and then I'll shoot their videos cooking together. So guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, but on this section, advise me on the comment section. So guys, see you later. Bye. Itabidi uiname bwana, hiki tunaika. Okay guys, it's time to eat. Karibu. Okay guys. So this is what we have here for today. Yes. This is I'm calling home. Yes. Hey, my dog is making noise. Utakula, tulia. Oh guys, it's early morning over here and I'm outside with my baby, so I'm heading to Nyabuhanse to make some little shopping for my mom, to buy sugar, also some we call millets, finger millets for making porridge. So I'm heading there actually to make a little shopping, guys. So I'm heading this way and we shall the next day. Let's go. You know. So be ready, guys, for my small shopping that I'm going to make for my mama. You know, to buy sugar for $50. So that being said, at this moment, no sugar. Heading to the Mohansa fast, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, comment, and guys, thank you so much for the love and support. You know, that will show me, guys. You know, guys, without you, I couldn't have this bike, guys, that I'm riding here. So that being said, guys, I'm going to buy sugar for my mama. You know, right now I have $3 on my pocket. Let's see what I can afford with that $3 in our market. Oh my God, let's go. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go. I'm fully outside, guys, like that. You know, with my green jacket. Like it's not purely green. You know, that's cassava plantation. We have maize plantation right here. You know. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, I love my mama 100%, you know, and you guys have been supporting my family here and there, right, left, center, guys. Okay, let's go. Hey, that house, very nice. Village life, fetching of water. See on this side here. Okay. At this game, no idea, guys. You know, that's a church right here. There's a school here. Although today it's on Saturday, and I wish all servant people who went to church today. Okay, let's go and see. This is a rental house here. Also, I think this is a rental house, you know, but this is the residence of this person, you know, people's home. Wow. And I have the cheapest rental house right here. You can rent. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. This is a driving car right here. So that's how Nyabuhanse looks like very in the morning, guys. That akina nadhani kisuka kweli ulipo. Eh. Amtora mbega wari mwe. Okay, guys. I want to buy finger millet. That's what I want to do with suko. That's encouraging. Wow, guys. That's another business here. Okay. Nipa sukari. I'm seeing, guys, I'm just on the shop and I'm buying sugar. Let me see whether I have money on the pocket or not yet, guys. Oh my god. This is 50 Kenyan shillings. I am this sugar, guys. Taking to my mama. So I've been said earlier, no sugar at home. And also this is my finger millet. However, let's go, guys. This is what I try to buy here and there. Oh, guys, I'm back home and I see my brother. So they wanna take this to my mom. So this finger millet, guys, that I bought for the porridge, right here. Also, I bought sugar. This is the sugar, guys, for $0.50. Actually, for making tea. So right now, like inside of my mama, no shopping, more like sugar and flour for making chapati. So I decided to buy this, guys. You know what I have on my pocket, I share with my family. You know. So where's my brother? Yo, muita mendad. So I wanna look at this because I'm giving them. But don't reach here for the command. Don't go to the phone to come. Nanda kuya na hara host wake good. So that's my brother. Maybe stand here. Say hello. Hello. Hey. Snapdragon. Manchester United. Okay. So onesha tu kuna sukari humu. So go and make tea. Yeah. Take to your mama. Yeah. So tell my mama me I'm going. Yeah. Yeah, that's my brother. So he was a fan of Manchester United. Snapdragon. Wow. For my good and new subscriber, me I'm just heading around to maneuver with my bike and then to look for the content, guys. So stay blessed. More amazing videos coming. And in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe. Road to 8K subscriber, guys. Soon I want to share with you the story when I'm hitting 8K subscriber. This is what I'm calling home. This is what I'm born and raised, guys. You know, my best home, my sweet home is this one here, guys. Alright, guys, we're just sitting here with my brother.
Hello, our good people. This is Brother Dagi from East Africa, Kenya. Actually, we are at home with the Hello Baby official.
Yes, guys.
Welcome, brother. How is life, man?
Life is good.
Yeah.
I'm just struggling here and there.
Yes.
To make sure that my family puts something on the table.
Wow, guys,
Yes.
we are trying. We are trying the best so that we can work out and we can bring amazing content to you and we can show you what we are doing in the village. Actually, guys, I'm constructing my dream toilet right now. We have not yet finished. We are still on the work. My masons, my brothers, Mo, Ibra, and
Just over there.
yeah, they're just over there. So this is home actually, and maybe we're gonna be able to show you.
Yeah. I was watching
work.
your yesterday's videos.
Yes.
Congratulations. Even I comment on your videos.
Thank you.
Yeah, you
I have
put
not
time.
yet checked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me, I tell you.
Yes.
You just copy how my toilet looks like and
That
then you
is
look
true.
more perfect.
Yeah, and guys,
You know, between me and you,
Yes.
maybe you're the one person who made build the toilet, which is classic, more classic.
Thank
Because on my toilet, I
Yes.
had people say, "Hello, baby, the village that we came from, you're the one who built the perfect toilet." So I told you, you just copy.
thank
do.
you,
Do it
guys.
slowly,
Yes.
and until you finish up.
We are trying to make it to happen. Yeah, so this is Nyabohanse village, and we thank you, our good viewers, by checking on us,
Yeah, guys.
by just watching our videos and commenting. Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah, guys.
So from this from this humble home, guys, we have some friends that they wish to travel to Africa to visit us.
Hey,
I need to welcome
Even,
you.
I haven't seen. Even down he
Yeah.
puts tiles.
Yes.
Oh my God. Let me
is
greet
what
your
you're
mason,
doing.
guys. Also, he was my mason. Say hello, Mo.
Hello, beautiful people. More Ibra is here. I'm so happy to back again at this site of my brother Dagi. So I'm so happy because it's a good day of finish this work. So guys, welcome to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. Support my brother to go on the good success. When me go support more Ibra to go on the good success. So welcome Hello Baby for see my work, how it's working. Because you and my brother Dagi together we are appreciating me for giving me the work.
Yeah, because your work is more perfect.
Yeah, your work is more perfect, Mo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I promise you,
Yeah.
if I finish to build my mom's house, I'll give you another job to put tiles.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, if you support my brother, Hello Baby, keep watching, don't skip any ads. Support my brother to go on the good success.
Yeah, guys, let me show the work for Moibra.
Yeah.
Hey, the boss of this toilet.
Yes.
Hey, when I'm boss here.
Yes.
Hey.
This is the work of yesterday. We have done it amazing work. We have already put it the
And then you
tiles
buy
outside.
grout.
Yes.
Why don't you buy grout?
We have already bought. So today is finishing point.
Okay.
Yeah, they are going to put. Yeah, so this is the work that we have did it. The toilet is coming with amazing view. Yeah, let me close here so that you can have a good view what you are doing it.
Young rich.
So this is what you are doing it in the village.
Yeah,
Actually,
rich for life.
Yeah, so you can see even the ceiling board, how it's coming with amazing view.
Okay.
We thank God for the gift of life until this place that we have reached today.
Okay.
So this is outside the look. Yeah, we are still working on it. We are still, it's good.
Man, this is an amazing one. Look.
Yeah. It's good. And upside here, the top,
Yeah.
we put the tiles because
Yes.
when it's raining,
The
it
water
can
will run.
prevent the water will run and it can prevent the wall.
Guys, if I'm wrong, let me give you the view. It's the same plan for my toilet. Look.
Yes.
Look. I'm not lying, guys. Look. You see? Even at the back. Maybe somebody watching the videos, they would think that I'm at my home. No. I just visit my brother. Look. Hey. Kitu kimenuka. Ni kama ile yangu tu. Hey.
Mo Ibra. Yes, Mo Ibra. This is the work of Mo Ibra.
Yes. Yeah, guys. Me, I feel so happy when Brother Dagi succeed building the toilet. You know, guys, when you want to build a house, the first priority, guys, is to have the toilet like this and also the borehole, and then you start building the house.
Yes.
You know, without toilet, you're something else.
Guys, my next step is about my dream house.
You will build, bro.
Yes.
You will build.
So it's about slowly but sure.
I'm about
And we
to-
believe. Yeah. So this
Even
is,
here?
Yes. You can see.
Sasa ile choo. Kwani nakuja kukalishwa tu?
Yes, ina kukalishwa.
Pale. Nivyo ndio chasa alisema. Yeah, this is amazing work. Kwa hivyo mbona kwenda hapo hivi umekata hizi zingine? Haukupata hizi?
Zilikuwa zimeishi. Lakini zinaendana.
Haina shida.
Anko, karibu tata. Uncle, karibu. Yeah, my uncle is around. Take ramba.
Kazi nzuri.
Ndio tore baada.
Anamba kote migira utidai.
Kana mbe bado nko bahaga chitokere taraso.
Yeah, amazing job, guys.
So this is what, you know, my uncle is wondering like when you have did it amazing work, you know.
Sasa ucha choki bata also bring a choki jiji.
Yeah, we are just continuing, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the place where we have reached. We thank God for this step. And actually, I want to take this opportunity to appreciate you, our good viewers, by just being around with us and by supporting us, by just commenting sweetest comment that it's motivating us in this work that you are doing here in the village. especially in Nyabuhanse village. It's a village that people they know worldwide. So we have to come with amazing structure so that you can be happy when you're watching the videos and everything. So this is one of the best steps that I have made it. So let's pray for me, guys. I think my dream house is gonna come by amazing way. So just wait. I will show you how it will be able to come.
This for the rich, you know. Hey.
Yeah, that's the sitting toilet we are going to install inside here. Yeah, we have not yet installed because they told me we have to put the...
One see China for Korogyo.
They said it.
Oh. Hey. You sit here, no pressure. Like for Hello Baby. Okay.
Yes.
No idea.
So
guys.
that's where we have reached. Yeah, today I think it's finishing point because you can see even here we have not yet finished. Yeah, so
there's a phone here.
Yeah. So still we are working on it. You can see the tools they are around with us. So still you are just working on it. So let's see how everything goes, and we are going to show you the view and everything. And also I appreciate you, Hello Baby, by being a good friend on me.
Yes.
By checking on me like how the work is moving. Yeah, that's the shower. You know? Yeah,
like,
so yes.
On this side
You're going
here.
to install it.
Hey, you're killing me. I'm remaining behind.
Yeah.
But I do mine in a local way. But to install shower is not a big deal.
So right now, the place where we have reached, guys, we need your support and we need your prayers, because I'm going to build outside the place where we are going to install the tank so that you can get the water that it's coming to flush this toilet, you know. So it's about dream, and I believe dreams are varied.
You are rich, bro. You are rich.
Dream.
You are so rich.
Yeah.
To build a toilet like this, you are so rich, bro.
Let me tell you one thing, guys. This is not my energy, but it comes from you, our good viewers. You are the one who making this. I'm telling you the reality. Nowadays, I'm maintaining our life is.
Brother, he was
Yeah. So, Hello Baby, I want to build here one pillar so that the pillar that is gonna be able to hold the tank up. So this tank, it will be able to hold the water that we are going to use to flush inside.
You will build? Oh.
Yes.
Even at the back you put tiles?
Yes.
No. Ceiling board?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to kasongo. Tatubira.
Yeah.
Tatubira. Yes. That's your African mom?
Yes, my African mom.
Brother, here. You're killing me.
Yes.
Ceiling board even at the back?
Yes.
I'm telling you, so rich. Come on.
Yeah, try. So this is the septic tank, Hello Baby. You can show them here.
You have the septic?
Yes, the tank that it's yeah.
Wow.
Holding the waste. This one. And this side,
the cover.
If today this it will gonna be able to be full, and then we need to remove. We're gonna be able to remove from this side. You know.
Take a picture for France.